Hare Krishna. So, most welcome. And we are doing Hari Shabda still. So, the next one is Kati. So, which means how many? Declined like the word three. And Kati is also declined in Bahuvachana always. So, it is declined like the word three, but little difference. So, that is Shanant Sankhyataha Katesh Cha Jas Shasor Mahaharaha Swarthe. So Swarthe, Jas and Shas undergo Mahahara when they come after a numeral ending in either Sha or Na, or after the word Kati, provided the meaning of these words is predominant. So we discussed this point about the Swartha thing. So when the meaning of the word itself is predominant, yes. So when we have any numeral, any Sankhya Shabda ending with either Sha or Na, or we have the word Kati, then we delete Jas and Shas following them. So when we have Kati Yukta Jas, so we delete Jas on the strength of the sutra and we get Kati. Same with 2.3, Shas also gets deleted. Then Katibihi, Katibiha, Katibiha, Katinam. So Katinam would be just Kati Yukta Am, Vamanasya Gopi, Radhavinudami, and then Vamana Gopi Radhavinudami, and then Vamanasya Trivikramonami. So we just get Katinam, then Katishu, and Kati. Yeah, nothing new, just this sutra. We delete Jas and Shas from. Okay. And then the next word is Sakhi. Now you might be wondering that, oh, Sakhi is a feminine word. Sakhi is like Gopi. But Sakhi word, the Sakhi we are referring to like in feminine gender, that also comes from this word, Sakhi. So this is the nominal base, the Pratipadika. So the word Sakha comes from this Sakhi. The word Sakhi comes from this word Sakhi. So this is the root word Sakhi. And so let's see the declension in masculine gender, Purushottam Linga. Before that, here are some numerals ending in Sha and Na, like Panchan, ending with Na, Shash, Saptan, Ashtan, Navan, Dashan. So these are the words ending with Na and Sha. So we are doing Sakhi Shabda. Rirama, Sakhibhyam, Ushanas, Urudangshas, Anehas, Ityetebhyascha Sorach, Buddham Vina. After Rirama and the words Sakhi, Ushanas, Urudangshas, and Anehas, Su with the exception of Buddha, which means Su but not Buddha, Su is replaced by Ach. So what it is saying is, we have Sakhi Yukta Su. So by this sutra, we replace Su with Ach. Okay, so Sakhi Ach. And then we did one sutra before which said Sansarasya Haraschiti. That if we have a pratyay following which has Charam as indicator letter, like this one, it has Charam as indicator letter. So in that case, we delete the Sansara of the Prakriti, of the root word. So here the sansara is E-Rama. Antya Sarveshwaradi Varna Sansara Sangya. So we read E and thus we get Sakha. Okay, so we get Sakha here, 1-1. Sakha. Ushanas is the name of Shukracharya. Purudakshas stands for Indra. Anehas is time. Okay. Earlier we did Govinda Sangya. Now there is one more Sangya which is Vrishnindra Sangya. So Advayasya A, Idvayasya Ai, Udvayasya Au, Hridvayasya Ar, Hridvayasya Al, Vrishnindra Sangya, A O Sthane, Ai Au Cha. Which means the replacement of Advaya with A, Idvaya with Ai, Udvaya with Au, Hridvaya with R, Hridvaya with Al, A with I, and O with Au. So it is called Vrishnindra. In these replacements, these Adeshas are called Vrishnindra. In Panini and other, mainly in Panini, they call it Vriddhi. You must have heard of Vriddhi Sandhi, Guna Sandhi. So, yeah, so Vriddhi is Vrishnindra in Harinamamrta Vyakaranam. Yeah, even Jiva Goswami says it. Earlier grammarians call it Vriddhi. So this is Vrishnindra. Now, Swadaya Pancha Pandava, another Sangya Sutra. The first 5 Swadis, which is Su, Au, Jas, and Au, they are called Pandavas. Pandavas. And what is Yadu? Shasadayo Yadu Sangya. Shas onwards, they are called Yadus, and these are Pandavas. Then Sakyur Vrishnindraha Suvarjam Pandaveshu. The word Sakhi takes Vrishnindra when any Pandava except Su follows. So we already did 1.1, which was Sakhi Yukta Su. So we had this sutra 2 sutras back, I think 127, which said Ri Rama Sakhibhyam Ushnas Purudamshnas Aneha Satyate Vashta Swaraj Gunamina. That after the word Sakhi, Su is replaced by Aj. And then Sansarasya Harashchiti, we deleted Sansara, and then Vishnu Bhakti Siddham Vishnu Padam. So that was 1-1. Now 1-2. Sakhi, what do we do here? So the sutra says, Sutra 130, that Sakyur Vrishnindra Suvarjam Pandavishu. That the word Sakhi takes Vrishnindra when any Pandava except Su follows. So if we have Sutra 113 explaining that if we have Sakhi Shabda and any Pandava following, what is Pandava? Swadaya Pancha Pandava. The first 5 are called Pandavas. So if we have any Pandava following except for Su, then what happens is Sakyur. The E-Rama of Sakhi takes Vrishnindra. It takes Vrishnindra. So Sakhi Yukt Au, Idvayasya Ai. We just studied. The Vrishnindra for E-Rama is Ai. And Au is there. Then I, and we get Sakha, and thus Vishnu Bhakti Siddha Vishnu Padam. So Sakhayo. Sakhayo. Yeah, Sakhayo. Okay. Do for 1.3 also the same way. Sakhi Yukta Jas. Yeah, please do for this one. This one and also for 2.1 also. Do it for 2.1 also. Yeah, please do it. Yeah, so yes, so when it is Sakhi Yukta Ta 3.1, although Sakhi is a Hari Shabda, but the sutra says that na Sakhir Hari Sangyash Tadau Patistva Samase. The word Sakhi is not a Hari when any Vishnu Bhakti from Ta onwards follows. So Ta onwards, Sakhi is not considered Hari, which means it is not declined like Hari. And nor is the word Pati, even the word Pati, the same case, we don't decline it like Hari, Ta onwards. When it is not in Samasa. So, but when it is in Samasa, then they will be declined like Hari Shabda. Yeah, then they will be declined like Hari Shabda. For example, I think Jiva Goswami gives one example here, Patina something. I'm like, let's say I want to say, use Pati Shabda and Lakshmi Pati. Let's say Lakshmi Pati. Lakshmi Pati is the compound, the husband of Lakshmi. So here, if we decline it by Ta with 3.1, then I'll have to use Haritashtana Natu Lakshmiyam. And then Ta will be replaced by Na, and then it will be Lakshmi Patina. Otherwise, if we just do Pati Yukta Ta, then Idvamevaya Sarveshwari. Patya. Right? Yeah, Patya. So when we have Sakhi Yukta Ta, it is not Hari Shabda, so it's just Idvamevaya Sarveshwari, we get Sakhya. Sakhi Vyam. Sakhi Vihi. Then 4.1. So just is Nge, Sakhi. 4.1 will be Sakhi Yukta Nge. So Idvamevaya Sarveshwari. Sakhi. Sakhi Vyam. Sakhi Viha. 5.1. Sakhi Yukta Nasi. So here we have a sutra. Kyatyabhyam Nasi Nasorus. Afterwards, ending in ki, ti, or ti, like Sakhi ends with this ki. So after words ending in either of these, Nasi and Mas are replaced by Us. So this is a replacement, Adesh bring chi. So Nasi and Mas are replaced by Us. Thus, by this Sutra 132, because Sakhi is ending with ki, so we replace Nasi by Us. Then Idvamevaya Sarveshwari and Sarvanamya Vishnu Sarva Vishnu Banante. So we get Sakhyu. Sakhyu. Sakhivyam. Sakhivyaha. Even 6.1 is same like 5.1. Sakhi Yukt Nas. So again the same thing. Sakhi Khityabhyam. Kyatyabhyam Nasinga Sarus. So Nas is replaced by Us, Idvamevaya Sarveshwari and Sakhyu. Sakhyo. 6.2 Sakhyo. Idvameva. Then 6.3 Sakhi Yukta. So Vamana Gopi Radha Nudami. So we insert note. Then Tidagama Parasamandhi joins with Am, becomes Nam. Then Vamanasya Trivikramanam Shabdasya tu Vanatyasya Jadasru, and we get Sakhinam. Yeah. Then 7-1, when we have Sakhi Yukta Ni. So the sutra says, Sutra 133, Sakhi Patibhyam Ner Au. After the word Sakhi and Pati, Ni is replaced by Au. Ni is replaced by Au. So Sakhi of Ni is replaced by Au. So we get it, then we get Idvami Vaya Sarveshware and Sakhya. Sakhyo Sakhishu. Okay. And then when Sambodhana is there, Sakhi of the Su, in Sambodhana it will be considered like a Hari Shabda. Okay. In Sambodhana it is considered like a Hari Shabda. So Sakhi of the Su, and then Harir Govinda Jasi Vrishnishu Buddhecha. It takes Govinda when Buddha is following, so it becomes Sakhe. And then Eo Vamanebhyo Buddhasya Darshanam, Buddha is deleted, we get Sakhe. Hey Sakhe. Hey Krishna, Hey Madhava, Hey Sakheti. But I think that Hey Sakheti, interesting, no? Hey Sakheti. Hey Sakhaiti. If we say like that, Hey Sakhaiti, then it is not a Sambodhana. The composition. Hey Krishna, Hey Madhava, Hey Sakheti. Hey Sakhaiti. Anyhow, then Sakhi with Au.
Where did you see that, Prabhuji? Hey Saketi?
It means I read it a couple of times, like Hey Krishna, Hey Madhava, Hey Sakheti. That's a bhajan, na? I think Damodar is something. Some name is there. Govinda Damodar Stotra by Bill Mangal Thakur. So, Hey Krishna, Hey Yadava, Hey Sakheti. So, yeah, just see this, like Hey Sakhe and Iti. But I don't know how they have done it. Like Sakheti Matva, this is okay. Sakheti Matva is Sakha Yukta Iti Matva, that's okay. But here, Hey Krishna, Hey Yadava, and then Hey Sakhe, and then Iti. It is Sakhe and Iti. How come it should be AI?
Yeah, correct. It should be AI.
But in the shloka, it is Sakheti. And
if you put AI, then you are introducing one more syllable. There,
yeah,
correct?
means, but then how can we understand Hey Sakheti?
In AI, we can Ayadinam, Adinam Yavairva, we delete Y, but then there is Teshamna Sandhir Nityam.
Yeah.
So, but still it seems that they have done.
But even if we do that, then also it will be 5 syllables. Hey Sakha Iti. But here we have 4. Hey Sakheti.
That's what Hey Sakhaiti Teshamna Sandhi Nityam, but it feels that they have again like done the Sandhi.
Oh, how about Sakhi feminine form?
Sakhi feminine?
Yeah. That's a Gopi Shabda.
But how can we apply that?
But there also
Udhana there would be Vamana Sakhi.
Vamana, right. Then you can Idvayameva Sarveshware.
No,
Advayam Idvaye. Sorry.
We have to apply Dashavtar there, na?
Dashavatara Ekatmaka Milito
Oh,
Trivikram.
not that.
I see.
And then 5. Uh,
But here, anyways, it's a friend, right? You cannot male friend. You cannot use female also.
yeah, here it is right. Hey Sakha and Iti. But still the point is, Sakha is not a Sambodhana.
True, maybe Arsh, you sometimes tell Arsh.
But Arsha Prayoga should be from the rishis, not from contemporary authors, right?
But who spoke this verse? This is from Bhagavatam.
This is from Bhagavatam?
Sorry, Bhagavad Gita.
Oh, it is from Bhagavad Gita. Then it makes sense, Prabhuji. Arsha Prayoga, you can say. We have this Arsha Prayoga in Srimad Bhagavatam, where Vyasadeva is calling to his son, Putra.
Putrati.
But there it's a Putra is a Mahapurusha. But after a Mahapurusha, you cannot have Sandhi. So there, Bhakti Siddhanta Shashi Thakur is writing, it's Arsha Prayoga.
Right. That is a Pluta.
Yeah, Pluta, right.
Yeah, so Arsha Prayoga.
Good point, Rasuraj Prabhu.
So, yes, we get Sakhe, Sakhayam. So, this is the whole table for Sakhi Shabda in Purushottam Linga. Sakha, Sakhayav, Sakhayaha, Sakhayam, Sakhayav, Sakhim, Sakhya, Sakhinyam, ityadi. Yes. Yeah, just take a look and see if everything is clear. The sutras. So we Jiva Goswami introduced like Pandavas here and the concept of Vrishnindras. Then Sakhir Harisangestado Patisto Samasi. And Sakhi Patibhyam Nerau. And before that, Khyathyabhyam Nasinga Sarus. So quite a few sutras. Yeah, at least write this whole table in your notebook or notepad and try to decline them and do memorize. Yeah, please keep memorizing the tables as you have declined them and studied them. Thursday, I'll tell you a trick which Jiva Goswami himself gives in one of the sutras. So, how to identify the sutra by reading the sutra itself without taking help of the translation. How to understand them. So, we'll do that on Thursday. What is that need?
It's appreciating that point that we are going to learn.
Oh, acha.
So there seems to be in the vritti, there seems to be some more discussion, and in the Amrita he says Sakina is also possible for the Tritiya.
Where?
In the sutra we studied last sutra, Sakipati Vyamnir Au. Sakipati Vyamnir Au in the vritti. Oh, vritti is reduced here. Huh?
You're looking at the brief one?
Yeah, I am looking at Brihat.
Yeah, means here they have eliminated some things. So
Okay. There it's furthermore detail is there. There seems to be multiple opinions. And he's got different things.
they do not want to confuse the Madhyama students. So actually grammar is a bit confusing if we really see from a broader perspective. When things like bahulam comes in, the bahulam concept and all, क्वचित प्रवृत्ति क्वचित अप्रवृत्ति क्वचित विभाषा क्वचित अन्यदेव विधेर विधानम बहुधा समीक्ष्य. So yeah, better madhyama. Okay, so that was Sakhi Shabda. Please decline that, practice that. We'll move ahead with Vishnu Shabda now. So although the word is Vishnu, but it is a Hari Shabda because I Uramanto Hari Sangya. Words ending with Vamana U, they are also considered Hari Shabdas. So Vishnu, the declension will be the same as of Hari, the sutras, the applications. It's just that this is ending with Urama, Vamana. So Vishnu Yukta Su, Vishnu Bhakti Siddham, we just combine them and Sara Ramayor. Vishnu Sarga Vishnu Vedante. So Vishnu. Then Vishnu Yukta Au. Harita Au Purva Savarnaha. That Au, if after a Hari Shabda Au comes, so Au becomes the same as the previous vowel Sarveshwara, which is U here. So it becomes U and then Dashavadara Ekatma Kemilitva Trivikramaha. So Vishnu. So this is another example of a word ending with Trivikrama U in Dvivachana. So Idu Detam Dvivachana Samanivadi Varjana. We studied that. So Vishnu. Then Vishnu Yukta Jas. Harer Govindo Jasi Vrishneshu Buddhecha. Right? So Hari takes Govinda. So this U takes Govinda and the Govinda for U is O. Udvay se O. When Jas is following. So it becomes O, O of, and it becomes Vishnavas. And Sararami or Vishnu Sarga Vishnu Vedante, Vishnava. Okay. Then Vishnu Yukt the Shavatara Damshas or Aramaharaha becomes Vishnu. Vishnu Yukt Au, same thing, Vishnu. Then Vishnu Yukta Shas, the Shavatara Amshas or Aramaharaha. The Shavatara Sitra Vikrama Shasi Tasmat Sona Pungsi. So we get Vishnu. Vishnu. Then Vishnu Yukta Ta, Haritashtana Natu Lakshmyam, Ta is replaced by Na. So we just get Vishnu Na. Vishnu Bhyam, Vishnu Bhi, Vishnu Yukta Ne. Govinda is done, then O of, Vishnu Bhyam, Vishnu Bhyaha. So, okay, you do this as homework, this Vishnu Shabda, because it is same like Hari Shabda. And yeah, please do this Vishnu Shabda as a homework. The applications, the sutras required are from 115 till 124. Okay, so please do Vishnu Shabda. Okay, anything here? Any discussions, anything?
Prabhu, in the Sutra 116.
I'm sorry, Prabhuji.
In the Sutra 116,
again, Prabhu, I can't hear that.
In 116, Harita Purva Savarna.
116?
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay.
Harita Purva Savarna.
Yes, right.
How is the word Harita formed? Harita.
Okay, Harita. So that, yeah, so that, first of all, this is Panchami, 5.1. So this is Tasi Pratyaya, which is a tadhita pratyaya. So this will come in tadhita. So like, you know, if I say Hari, and there is this pratyaya tasi in tadhita, so it becomes, and this tasi pratyaya act in fifth panchami case, fifth case. So Hari tas, and then becomes Hari taha. Many usages like tataha, yataha, sarvataha, itaha, ityadi. They are all ending with this tasi pratyaya. Okay. Yeah, so this is the tadhita pratyaya.
Okay.
Harita. Okay. So we'll resume on Thursday. Please do Vishnu Shabda, do the memorization of the sutras. Please be up to date. Otherwise, it will be difficult ahead. Okay, we'll see you on Thursday. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.